I've just found out it's time to change my mobile phone, and this time I want to choose a phone that's got less of a harmful effect on the environment. But how do I do that? Well, that's where a life cycle assessment, or LCA, comes in. With a life cycle assessment, the idea is we look at the harmful effects on the environment at all the different stages of a product's life cycle. So in the case of a mobile phone, first of all, we need to look at the raw materials it's made from. The plastic comes from crude oil, which is a finite resource. There's also different metals inside on the circuits, and the metals are finite resources that need quarrying and also extraction. Then we look at the manufacturing process, how much energy goes into actually making the phone, and that will be giving out carbon dioxide, which causes the greenhouse effect if it's a very energy intensive process. Then we need to look at the packaging and distribution. So is it a product that is being shipped halfway around the world on a ship or in an aeroplane that's giving out lots of carbon dioxide into the environment? Then we need to look at how the product is used. So does it take a lot of energy to charge the phone, for example? If we're looking at a product like a washing machine, does it take a lot of wash powder to get the clothes clean? And that detergent and wash powder will be released back into the environment. And then finally, when we're finished with the phone, what do we do with it then? Can it be recycled, or does it have to go to landfill? So they're the main stages of a life cycle assessment. We look at the raw materials, we look at how it's manufactured, we look at the packaging and distribution, what happens when we use the product, and finally how it's disposed of. There are some limitations to life cycle assessments, one of them being it's quite difficult to quantify the effect on the environment at each stage of the life cycle. The second limitation is if the life cycle assessment, or LCA, is carried out by a company that has got an interest in the product. That could make the life cycle assessment biased. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching.